Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Last week I had a new student in one of my classes, and as we were chatting about why she had decided to join the group, she told me that after many years of putting it off, she'd finally decided to bite the bullet and register for the Cambridge Advanced exam. She has a date now and she's going to be taking it this June. If you say that you've finally or you've decided to bite the bullet, it means that you've finally decided to do something that will be difficult or unpleasant or both, especially something that you've been putting off for a long time. So maybe if you have terrible toothache, you might say, I really hate going to the dentist, but this time I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and make an appointment. In the same way, recently, because of the kind of uproar connected to the 6 English clubs who wanted to join the failed Europa Super League idea, there's a lot of pressure on the Football Association to punish these clubs, and lots of people are saying the Football Association are just going to have to bite the bullet and punish them. One other example, maybe, you might need to get some repairs done to your house or to your car, and you might say, I know it's not going to be cheap, but what can I do? I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and go for it. You might be interested to learn that the idea comes from the war, when in the old days, maybe, if doctors in the field of war needed to amputate, to cut off people's arms or legs because they'd been badly injured by bombs or guns or whatever, if they didn't have anaesthetic or whiskey or whatever to kill the pain, they would give people a metal bullet to bite on whilst they were having their arms or legs cut off, you know, as something to kind of chew on rather than screaming your head off. So this idea of biting the bullet came to mean facing up to something horrible or unpleasant, but necessary. If you've enjoyed this video, do click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about times you decided to face your fears and bite the bullet.